Hey, welcome to Peatball Shop. Got another product here I want to review that they sent to me and asked me to review. And this is a power tool battery charger. Alright. And man, it's pretty impressive looking. Let me get it out of the box for you. Got some good weight to it. Got a little, if you need help, gives you a means of getting some help from them. That's always good. Got a little email there. Not much to the instructions. Got a power cord. But this is a 4-bank Dewalt or similar battery charger. Look at this thing. You can carry your batteries with you. Where you go, you just sit them on there, the 4 of them, and you'll be able to carry that down the road with you. And it's got light indicators on the front here to tell you how they're charged and when they charge. The power cord goes here. And then, of course, that goes on the wall. And, man, that's pretty sharp. It does have the means on the back of it for hanging it on the wall, which most of us do. So I'll be hanging this on my wall, and we'll hang some Dewalt batteries on that thing. And, of course, we know they're going to work. It is a battery charger, a 4-bank battery charger, the DCB104. Lithium-ion, 12-volt max, and 20-volt max. Different. But at any rate, it's built solid. I believe it can handle a construction site, but the great thing about it is that it handles 4 batteries at one time. Listen, battery power tools are worthless if the battery's dead. Somebody say amen right there. So, and that thing, that handle fold up out of the way, hanging on the wall for you. Hey, this is going to look great in my shop. If you are a user of Dewalt tools or similar, then this DCB104 might be exactly what you're looking for. Y'all take a look at this thing. Give it a try. Hey, I think it's made solid. I think it's going to work out great for just anybody. And hey, in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.